Looking to level your Harley sound system without cutting a single wire? Meet the Power Acoustik HD-14KIT, a plug-and-play, all-weather multimedia receiver built specifically for 2014 and newer Harley-Davidson touring bikes, designed for street glide, road glide, ultra-limited, and tri-glide ultra. This system gives you modern tech, premium sound, and rider-focused control, all without losing your bike's OEM styling. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you'll stay focused, connected, and in control right from the 7-inch optically bonded LCD touchscreen. Navigate, make calls, send messages, stream music, hands-free with Siri or Google Assistant. Let Siri DJ your ride with Apple Music, or ask Google Assistant for real-time traffic updates using Waze or Google Maps. With Bluetooth 5.0, enjoy wireless calls and music streaming with crystal clarity thanks to A2DP audio support. Your playlists and podcasts go wherever the road does. Thanks to the included Handlebar integration module, you can do it all without lifting your hands off the bars. With a built-in 2-ohm stable Class D 4-channel amplifier, 13-band EQ, active crossovers, and 4-volt RCA outputs, this system gives your ride serious power and clarity. With IP/5 water resistance, the HD-14KIT handles rain, road spray, and even hose downs like a champ. Built for the road, built for real riders. With a true plug-and-play harness, OEM trim bezel, and all necessary mounting hardware included, this upgrade is seamless and splice-free. If you're ready to bring cutting-edge tech, premium sound, and bulletproof durability to your Harley-Davidson, the Power Acoustik HD-14KIT is your next big upgrade. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what song you'd blast on your next long ride.